Squarespace store setup, how to set up online store on Squarespace. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily create and set up our own online store on this platform called Squarespace. So they provide us the opportunity to create it in a few minutes. So here we are on squarespace.com. Let's click on get started in the right top corner. If you're new to this platform, you'll have to create an account. In my case, I'm just simply was redirected to the page with the templates. You can easily create an account with like Gmail stuff, or you can create it for this platform only, and we can easily use it for free. They have like free trial, half a month, and here we are on this page. We can easily find all the templates we can use to create our online store. To make it easier, I suggest you to choose type online store right up here, and after that we'll see only online store templates by Squarespace. As you can see, we have like 7 templates, but if you scroll down, we can find even more, some additional stuff. They can be repeated or something like this. But you need to know that you can also use other templates, and all you need to do is just simply add products a little bit later. I'll show you how to do this. In my case, I want to use this template right up here. Let's click on preview to see how will it look like. We have like main page, also products here, and after that a couple of information. So let's click on start with this design in the right top corner. As you can see, all the templates are totally responsive, and we can easily use them on different platforms from different devices, for example like from phone, from laptop, or from desktop. Let's click on start with this design, and in a few seconds our website will be automatically created by Squarespace. All you need to do now is just simply choose the necessary name. So let it be like shop 1, why not? Let's click on continue, next, and get started. So here we are on our dashboard, on our managing panel. On the left side we can easily interact with the structure of the website. We can easily manage its analytics, manage SEO optimization, and do some other stuff. And in the right side we have the preview of our website. We can easily change design itself, and even like interact with the structure inside of the website. We can manage different sections and so on. So let's take a look at the design of how can we interact with the design of the website, and after that I'll show you how to interact with orders, products, and so on. So firstly, I recommend you to click on this icon in the right top to interact with fonts, colors, animations, and spacing settings. So I always like switch all the fonts on the template to this group here, as for me this is the best variant. And also on the colors area, I also added like color palette. I want to find something suitable as for me, because I'm going to change all the pictures, change all the products a little bit later. Let it be like this, for example. So also I'd like to add animations, fade. And now our website is ready to be saved. So if you click on exit, all the changes will be automatically appealed to our website. And now we can click on edit here to interact with sections to find the wall design. And as you can see, we have a lot of sections here, and also we can interact with every single object. With this text, with this header, if I'm going to click on edit header, we can easily add a site, title, and logo if it's necessary. As for us, let it be like shop number 1, something like this. Yeah, okay. Also I'd like to change it here, helper month store. So as you can see, everything is easy to understand. All we need to do is just simply click, find the necessary settings we can manage. For example, we can change the type of this button to primary, for example. Also we can click on edit, change the what's inside, so go to shop, for example. We can manage design, do some other stuff, and also I'd like to increase this size. So yeah, nothing hard. In this case we can also interact with sections. We can delete like save section, move it down, edit section. We can also add different sections. For example, I don't want to see this gallery here, so let's delete this section. I'm going to click on remove, and it was automatically deleted. And instead of this section, I'd like to add section with my team. So let it be people, and I'd like to add this template here. So after that, the same stuff basically. We can click on edit content, manage items, change the order, click on every single item, change title, description, and so on. So as you can see, all these things are quite simple, and in this case we can interact with every single element here. All you need to do is just simply open it by yourself and try to click, try to interact. Maybe you will not receive positive results every single time, but at least you'll receive an experience. So let's click on save, and I want to show you how can we add products to our shop. So we need to click on commerce and then go to products right up here. So basically we will not see any products here. In order to import or add products, we need to click on the necessary button in the right top. So we can import it from Etsy, Shopify, BigCartel, or like from file even. And we can click on add product, choose the necessary type. For example, I'd like to add physical. And now we need to add the additional information, name, image, description, price, and so on. When everything is done, we can click on save in the right top, and our product will be automatically saved and added to our store. As you can see, it has its own number, stock number, price, and so on. After that, on the orders area, we can interact with our orders. On the customers, we can find all the necessary information about our customers, leads, first-time customers, repeat customers, and so on. What is also important is that on the marketing folder, we can interact with CEO appearance. We can manage our site title, site description. It helps browsers to show our website in the top of the search results. So I suggest you to manage it by yourself. Also, we can interact with analytics, profiles, settings, and so on. As you can see, nothing hard, and everyone can create a store just in a few minutes on a Squarespace. If we try to discover the paid plans, we can see that we have 4 plans. And if we're going to speak about online store, they have 3 plans: business, commerce basic, and commerce advanced. It depends on your purposes. What do you want to use it for? Maybe you'd like to create a small online store. I think business is enough as for you, or basic if you want to create it a little bigger, or you want to use some additional features. Of course, you can try to compare it. At least we have different transaction fees for product sales, 3% on business and 0% on basic. So maybe it will be cheaper for you to buy a basic commerce or advanced commerce and use it like this. So yep, hope this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.